Do you have a hard time picking things up from the floor because of low back pain? If you do, most likely you have some tightness in your lower back, maybe some weakness in your core muscles, and maybe even some weakness in your legs. Today I will show you 3 exercises to address each of these 3 things. The first exercise is the single knee to chest stretch. It is a stretch for your hip and your lower back. Lie down on your back on the floor or on your bed. Bend one of your knees and pull that knee toward your chest with your hands. Hold the stretch for up to 30 seconds. Switch legs and repeat. If you're interested in other types of stretching exercises for your lower back, please check out my other video on how to stretch the lower back for low back pain. The second exercise is a modified side plank. This exercise strengthens your core muscles and your hips. For this version of modified side plank, start by sitting on your hip on your side. Support your upper body with your forearm. Bend both knees to about 90 degrees. From this position, lift your hips off of the floor and then push your hips forward like a hip thrust, keeping your back straight. Hold this position for up to 30 seconds and then come down to the floor to rest. Repeat this exercise for 3 sets and then switch sides. Please make sure to continue breathing when you hold the side plank position. If you're interested in other variations of side plank, please check out my other videos on side plank variations. The third exercise is a sit to stand exercise. This exercise primarily strengthens your legs, but today we're going to engage our transversus abdominis to help strengthen your core when you do this exercise. Start by sitting in a chair, scoot to the edge of the chair, cross your arms and touch your shoulders. From this position, tighten your abdominal muscles by sucking in your stomach a little bit, kind of like when you're trying to fit into an old pair of pants when you feel a little bloated. You suck in your stomach to fit into the pants, and when you do that, you're engaging your transversus abdominis. So suck in your stomach a little bit when you're in this position. Maintain the tension in your abdominal muscles throughout this exercise. Now stand up until your body is completely straight, then slowly sit back down. Make sure to not plop back into the chair. Repeat this exercise for up to 5 repetitions and then rest for a little bit. Repeat another 5 repetitions for a second set and then rest again. You can do this exercise for 3 sets. Please note, if you do not engage your abdominal muscles by sucking in your stomach during this exercise will do nothing for your low back pain. This exercise will still strengthen your legs, but to get the most benefit out of this exercise for your low back pain, please remember to suck in your stomach. If you would like to learn more variations of side planks, I'll leave the links to those videos down in the description and in the comments below. Lastly, I want to say that if you want to completely recover from your low back pain, please visit your local physical therapist or physiotherapist for a personalized rehab program.